I'm here to show you my February Foundations junk journal that I made for Dear Julie's design team. The foundation kit that I used is called Mama's Quilt. The challenge this month was to print only on copy paper, use the background digital kit, and make foundation pages and elements that you could later on go ahead and decorate. The cover is made from a bubble envelope, mailer envelope, covered with my fabric, and I used some scrapbook paper. We had 5 papers of scrapbook paper. This is the digital kit background, and this is this scrapbook paper made into a quilt block called Grandma's Garden. It's a 5-hole pamphlet stitch, 2 signatures, and the ties have some hexes charms on the bottoms. Inside the cover there are 2 large pockets, front and back, and inside that I used a part of my masterboard. We also made a large snippet roll, which I've added in different places. That can be embellished later when I get to the embellishing part of this journal. The first thing inside the double stack pocket page is Tag with a Purpose. It has a pocket with a little piece of a file folder made into a scrappy notebook. This is part of, this is a decorating the bottom of the double page pocket. This is a piece of vellum that I printed. This is dyed paper with a pattern. The next page is just a little flip-flop that I made. It's not my main one that I've decorated, but it's there. This is my flip-flop that I've decorated with the flap. And like I said, I used some different papers from my stash. We got to use up to 15 different papers. This is a large file folder tag in a pocket. So this envelope has a large pocket on this side and a small pocket here that you could put stuff in. This one is my water embossed. As you can see, it has some lift to it. These are 2 of the tags that we made from Mini Challenge 2.1. Page again. This piece of vellum, I've stuck another piece of the snippet roll in there. This one here is my diagonal bottom pocket with a piece of the masterboard. The second signature starts out with over the page card. Use book page, the plain book pages from the end of the book to put on both sides of that digital. This page is called the flip and tuck page. Mine doesn't work very well. I'll have to work on that. And you tuck it in here. And this is another page in my water emboss. This is a large tag with a purpose, and it has a pocket on it. In it. And the vellum page. This vellum page is hiding the lined paper. And a flip-flop. This is a pocket with another piece of the Mini Challenge in it. This is that's a snippet. That's just extra paper to fill in the double tuck. The back of this page is an extra pocket page and a Mini Challenge tag. Another pocket page here This is with this is the pocket page again with the accordion journal card. It opens up and inside is some more journaling space that you can take out of the two envelopes. This is the other side of the flip and tuck page. I just made it into another little pocket. Mini challenge 2.1 tag. A flip up tuck. And I think there's a little pocket down there. The other pattern piece, it's very fine, faint the pattern, but it's there. And water embossed. And the last thing is a top tuck with a hidden journal card. And there's the part. I might attach that later so that it doesn't come apart. And some more masterboard in the back pocket. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button if you like this journal so I know. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thank you. Bye-bye.